the popping cork. On the popping cork. All right, welcome back to Get Out the House, Go Fish. Today, I'm at Guana Lake. I'm gonna get out there, see if I can catch some trout today. So, got the Hobie Pro Angler, and let's get out in the water. It is supposed to rain today around noon, 1 o'clock. So I figure hit it up first thing in the morning and do a couple hours fishing before the rain comes in. All right, I got me some trout magic here. I'm gonna be throwing that and trolling with that also, with the trout magic. And I did bring a topwater too. Bone color topwater. So let's start throwing this topwater, see if we can get anything to hit this guy. All right. I'm interested to see if something's on this point up here. Sometimes you go out and nothing hits this topwater. And sometimes you go out and they are just nailing it. I mean, it's like they can't get enough of it. So I'll work this for a little bit. And then I brought a popping cork. I got the 4 Horsemen popping cork. I really like the 4 Horsemen. It's really loud. And I have a Z-Man shrimp about 18 inches below that popping cork. So I'll work that too. Oh, y'all see that? That was a good hit. Heck yeah. Nice hit right there. Man, he hit it quick. Ooh, it's a nice red. Yep. Come on, guy. Come on. Come on. He does not want to give up. Let me get my net, y'all. We about there. Good size. Oh yeah. Come on. Get in there. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Yes. All right. Boy, you are lucky I'm not keeping anything today. Oh my gosh. There we go. That's what did it, y'all. That bone color topwater. I've always had great luck with that guy. Great topwater to use. That's just a bomber from Walmart. So let's measure this guy. Let's measure him. Oh yeah, but check him out first. Whew. Get out the house, go fish. That's it. Yeah, oh yeah. Nice. Right to the nose, pinching the tail. About 23 and a half. 23 and a half. All right, not what we're looking for. We're looking for trouts. Let's get this guy released. ready to go back? Oh, he's already kicking. Yeah, he's ready to go. All right, buddy. There he goes. Ooh, this is probably like about 2 feet of depth in here. So he was just digging down and then hit it. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get some popping cork action, possibly. And now we'll put some of that Procure shrimp on Procure shrimp on this Z-Man shrimp. Get them all greased up. Get them all greased up. There we go, on the popping cork. On the popping cork. That's the target species right there. Right there. He looks small. He looks small. So he is undersized, like 13. 13. There we go. He's gone. Just trying to pick up a bigger one. At least slots on this, doggone. Maybe. Oh, something hit it. There it goes. Gotcha. 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 Yes. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. He swallowed it. He swallowed it. That's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See if I can get that hook out. Yeah. Man, he took that shrimp good. Come on, buddy. There we go. There we go. Let's see what we got here. He's 16. All right, guys. 16. Get out the house, go fish. Nothing to really brag about, but it is a keeper. But once again, he's going back. Whew. All right. If you want to get a closer look at this Z-Man shrimp, there he is. That is it. All right, well, been out here for about 3 hours. Wind's starting to pick up. Like I said, it's supposed to rain around 12, 1 o'clock. I'm gonna make my way back to the kayak launch and go ahead and load up, but I'm just trolling on the way back. So anyway, I thought I'd come out here for a few hours and fish for some trout for the North Florida Inshore Slayers group. They have a little tournament going on this month from March 10th to April 10th, exactly 1 month. And they usually just pick one fish to target, and then you have like a card that they choose that you put in the picture with it. And biggest this month is the biggest trout. Anyway, the pot is up to $630. That's what you win. You also get a Fish Bites Fight Club care package, and also an entry into an entry into like a Redfish tournament, which is like $100 value. So anyway, I'm out here just trying to catch some trout. Just trying to see what I can hook into. Next time you see me go out, I should be with Mike Cook again. I'm supposed to go down into Mako and fish with him down in the St. Augustine area. And then after that, I'm supposed to get with Bubba outdoors, and we're going to be going out looking for some snook. So, woo! Anyway, so that's the kind of next videos you have to look forward to. And if you don't see one of the ones I just mentioned, then he probably didn't do any good. You know, but he probably didn't catch any fish. So, well, once again, I want to thank y'all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit that thumbs up. And y'all be sure to get out the house and go fish. All right. Until next time.